Still relying on legacy databases? Every day your weight increases risk, cost, and operational slowdown. Legacy systems create expensive maintenance cycles, slow business performance, security concerns, and vendor lock-in. Many companies delay migration because they think it is too risky, too slow, or too complex. Accuract Technologies helps enterprises modernize legacy systems with end-to-end data migration services, cloud transformation, and database modernization. Powered by our expertise, ProGres MigrateAI is Accuract Technologies' proprietary platform that accelerates legacy database migration to Cloud PostgreSQL faster, safer, and smarter. First, securely connect your existing legacy database environment. Next, MigrateAI analyzes schemas, tables, stored procedures, and dependencies. It then converts database objects into PostgreSQL-compatible structures, validates compatibility, and deploys workloads to scalable Cloud PostgreSQL with minimal disruption. With ProGres MigrateAI, businesses reduce migration timelines, minimize downtime, lower licensing costs, improve compliance readiness, and scale confidently for the future. Modernize your database infrastructure with Accuract Technologies. Visit accuracttech.com to schedule your migration consultation today.